pinakamalalim na swimming pool sa buong mundo. Meron itong lalim na 60 meters o 200 feet. Katumbas ng Statue of Liberty. Hindi lang ito basta-basta swimming pool. Tinatawag din itong The Sunken City. May mga abandonadong kotse, apartments, billiards, library, at kahit arcades meron dito. At ito ay located sa NAS Sports Complex, Dubai. Oras na para samahan niyong sisirin ang pinakamalalim na swimming pool sa buong mundo. Guys, finally, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa Deep Dive Dubai. Oh my God, love, nararamdaman ko na naman yung tinik na nandito nakabara sa puso ko. Parang nung nag-skydiving tayo. I can't believe it right now. We are here in this very beautiful place. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano sobrang nakakatakot yun. At onting trivia, the deepest pool in the world ay merong 60 meters deep. Parang eroplano ng loob. Oh my God. Tapos kung gaano karami yung tubig na yan, 14 million liters. Ganon kadami yung tubig na nasa loob nun. At dito sa lobby, love, nandito na yung mga divers. At kitang-kita na natin dito yung aquarium. Oh my God, love, look at that.
Oh my God.
Bakit ba ako lang? Please, samahan mo na.
Eh kasi nga, meron nga akong claustrophobia. Takot ako underwater. Dito pa nga lang nanginginig na ako eh.
Yung nagpapadagdag takot pa sa akin right now. Ako lang mag-isang magda-dive doon at hindi ko kasama si Carlene. Love, alam mo naman ikaw ang lakas ko.
Takot ako eh.
At dito, wow! Love, makikita mo kung mag-chest dyan mamaya. Diyan. At dito sa footage natin makikita nyo kung gaano ka creepy, gaano ka dilim.
May malaking ugat ng puno.
Nakakatakot, diba?
Baka biglang gumalaw.
Punta po tayo sa equipment room kasi
Wow.
magsa-sizing po tayo.
Okay, so papasok na tayo sa equipment room. Guys, actually nagpatanggal tinik pa sa akin. Marami tayong kabayan dito ng mga Pinoy. Ito si kabayan, si Miss Shine. Binigyan niya ako ng tips kung paano mo magsusurvive din sa pinakailalim na yan. Dahil she tried it before. Na-try niya na friend, diba? At ano kung kailangan kong gawin ulit? Binigyan niya ako ng tips kung paano mo magsusurvive din sa pinakailalim na yan. Dahil she tried it before. Na-try niya na friend, diba? At ano kung kailangan kong gawin ulit, Miss Shine?
Relax.
Relax.
Yeah, and then if you feel na yung pressure, lunok lang.
Okay.
Lunok. Parang sumasakay ka lang ng aeroplane.
Alright, noted. Maraming salamat, Miss Shine. Mabuhay po tayo.
And enjoy.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Hi. Good afternoon. My name is Juan.
My name is Sergey.
Sergey,
Nice
nice
to
to
meet
meet
you. I'm going to be your instructor.
I feel safe now.
Good. We'll start with sizing you up.
Okay.
Select the gear, then you can go to the changing room, get changed, and then we'll go on the deck.
Alright. I'm so excited.
Johnny Sins.
So guys, this is how it looks. Love, to be honest, right now, nung suot ko to, hindi na agad ako makahinga. Sobrang sikip.
Look at that booty. Show me the booty.
Hindi naman ako mukhang mataba. Nakastomakin na ako.
Ang sexy.
Parang mapapatiktok pa eh. Nagpapatanggal lang ako ng takot.
Sabi, tuturuan kita paano huminga ng maayos ha.
Sa ilalim. Okay, paano?
Breathe in,
Breathe in.
breathe out.
Hindi kapag nag-breathe in ako, di na singot ko lahat ng tubig. Talaga to, love. Ano ba yan? Mali yung tinuturo mo.
Magtiwala ka lang.
Ayaw mo akong bumili ng motor, di ba? Pues, kukunin ko yung motor na yan na nasa ilalim ng swimming pool.
Sige, subukan mong ingat-ngat. Mga di mo mangat sarili mo, yan pa kaya.
Ay, grabe ka naman sa akin. Sa oras na to, naramdaman ko na yung excitement na may halong takot at kaba dahil wala pa akong experience sa pagdadiving. Ngayon, alamin na natin ang mga dapat natin gawin para maging safe ang ating pag-explore sa Deep Dive Dubai. Guys, I can't believe this. We're here.
Are you good today? Ready for the dive?
Yeah, ready. Oh, I feel safer now. We got CCTVs under the pool.
Everywhere.
Kapag nalunod tayo, mabablog pa rin natin. May footage. We got CCTVs around everywhere, huh? Wow, amazing.
Please try this one.
Alam mo sa sobrang kaba ko, parang may ihi ako sa pool na to. Oy, di niya alam ha.
When you go down, you're not gonna shrink and become a tiny one. But you have some. Yeah, you are not allowed to hold your breath at all. You should always be breathing.
Always breathing.
Next thing I want to talk about, we are not gonna be able to chit chat underwater, so we'll be using the science. When I'm showing you okay, I'm asking you okay?
Okay.
You are? This something is not right. You show like this, and then point to the source of the problem. Maybe you cannot equalize. Yeah. This one, go up.
Go up, okay.
Not cool. Cool is like this.
Ooh!
This one go down.
Go down.
This one means I want you to stop whatever you are doing. This one means slow down, relax, calm down. Well, that's pretty much it.
Oh God, dala-dala natin ang bansang Pilipinas dito. Pumunta ka sa mga salamin para pupuntahan kita doon, okay? Hi guys.
Mag-iingat ka.
Yes, love. Magda-dive na tayo. Deep dive diving. Let's go.
Could you tell me your name, where you're from?
I'm Von Ordona from the Philippines. Oh my God.
Excited?
Yeah, super. I've been dreaming for this moment for years. Yes, and now I'm celebrating my 24th birthday. This is gonna be the best birthday so far.
Control your buoyancy.
Okay.
Then add in small increments. Forward, because it's really
Ooh, God, that's heavy. Okay.
always somewhere on the right.
Okay.
Yeah, the inflator always on the left. Lift up. Yeah. Okay. Then like this. Another one.
Hi guys, wish me luck. Let's explore it. Let's go. Ami, I love you.
I love you! Hindi ko na kaya. Nanginginig ako. Good luck, love, love. I love you. No!
Ito na ang pinakaunang lubog. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I feel like I'm a professional diver. Let's go. Habang paunti-unti kaming bumababa, bigla kong naramdaman ang mabigat na pressure sa tenga ko. Dahil first time ko to nahirapan akong mag-adjust at mag-equalize ng pressure na nararamdaman ko sa tenga ko. Habang tumatagal, unti-unti ko na rin nakakapa ang mabigat na pressure na nararamdaman ko at dito ko natuluyang na-enjoy ang buong oras ko dito.
Now, 'cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste it.
Yun yung gusto niyang iuwi ng motor.
I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it.
Ito na magandang ko.
Growing your dream business and selling products that are loved just
Natumba tuloy.